Hmm. 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 Okay. Guess that makes sense. Yeah. Damn, why is that loud? Whoa, did my phone just freeze? Okay, there you go. Do I really need to do this? It's a little loud out here. Damn. Shoo, okay. Wonder what happened. Short stream. A quickie. A quickie. Just like that. Oh shoot. Oh, thank you. Ugh. Alright. I'm just gonna start this right away. Oh, wait for some people to come in. As I just try to get this going here. Just gonna look at some studies. Yeah, maybe I can try to like, let's see. Let's look at the daily. Just gonna be a short, or what I like to call a quickie stream. A little quickie. Just to find out what the heck happened today. And I remember leaving off either, oh, well, no, Maddie, I just started like a minute ago, bro. What's up, Maddie? No, I'm still thinking about like what William said, dude. That had me crying. That really had me crying. I'm like, the way he was just, did you? I'll tell you the reason why. I'm like, the more he does that, like, I swear he's gonna break his teeth. You missed a whole 5 minutes of lying. And it was hot. Something that you were supposed to be a part of, and you pretty much failed. So, really, Aswang, let's go. Good evening. Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the stream. Wait, did you get into Boyle? Is that what happened? I gotta see this. I'm gonna go on here. Actually, wait. Yeah, I'm gonna go on here. I'm gonna look it up. Boyle. Oh, Boyle, 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 Boyle. Wow. Wow. Maybe I should have gotten into calls for Boyle. What is wrong with me? So, look, what? What? Aswang, are you kidding me? Aswang, are you kidding me? Like, look at the percentage. Look at the gains from the calls today. Dude, like over 3,000? Wow. No kidding, bro. Hold on. Oh, there's no chart? Hold on. Wait, I need to look at the chart. How do I look at the chart? Hold on. View. Is it this? And then do I look at the... Clark, what's up? Been a minute, Clark. What's going on? Hold on. Let me just do something real quick. Okay. Okay. I just had to do something real quick. You got the first like in, Maddie? What about you guys? You got the likes in there? Show me some love, you know what I'm saying? Is ticker symbol NVOS heavily shorted, and do you think it's a good stock to buy into? I thought somebody was saying they're going to do a merger. Just use one finger, Maddie. You don't really need to use your whole hand. Let me see. Is it this one? I'm surprised it's not showing me. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, Aswang, yo, check this out. Check this out. Okay. No way. These calls ran today. Hold on. Okay, well, actually, no. The lowest that... Man, so you're telling me... You're telling me that yesterday we could have gotten at 2 cents per call? Oh my god. I just missed out. I could have put like no joke, I could have put in like $900 worth of calls, and I would have literally just... Oh my goodness. Hold on. Let me just hold on. Did you get in? Did you get in yesterday? Oh no, wait, because we talked about it yesterday. If you did, congrats, bro. We just literally called out, like... And you know what? That's not the only one that we were talking about. I think somebody had mentioned LUNR. I think it was Moistly. And then we did a little thingy majig. Well, I can't even like process right now what I'm saying. We did some TA on it. Jesus. And what we were saying, like, oh, it's gonna like continue to go up and blah 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 blah, stuff like that. We did to like 15 or something like that. This thing ended up running from a low of $8 to a high of $13.25, and it closed at $9.32. Oh no, wait! It opened at $12.89 to a high of $13.25, then dropped all the way down to $8, and then closed at $9.32. So from that point, from the last candle yesterday, it would have probably gained a little bit. But wow, what's up, Blue 5? What's good? But hold on. But going back to Boyle, man. I would like to think that that was mostly because of the market just dumping and then going into like FOMC minutes. This is pretty much like the majority of like the market tanking down, and then from here, this is where the market started pumping like crazy again, and then we had this retest the 200-day moving average. So I'm like, whoa, that's my guess. But we reached back at this point here in the MACD, and looks like it's about to break out again. So, I mean, for these calls, I guess. MFN, what's up, MFN? But anyways, yeah, like, let me go back to the chart real quick and see if there's any. Come on, show me. Yeah, check it. It looks like it's about to rebound again. This is on the 5-minute. Has a nice see this, how it goes back and then back up again, and it's gonna like literally break right over the 50-day moving average. So it's bound to retest these levels at 1730 to 1750. So shoot, on to the next one now. Onto the big player, because there's some people that have been hating and in frustrations with this stock. I don't know. Have you guys paid attention to William's stream today? Hold on. Holding for big money. Okay. Good evening, Lion. Do you think there's any? Is that Moistly, dude? That's Moistly. MFN. Do you think there's a possibility that Nvidia will follow the trajectory suggested by Jingham's? I can't pronounce that word, dude. I think you have to stick with Jism. But by all means, go like on that account, then go into your Saggy Salamander account and like the stream, and then go to Moistly and then like the stream. Good to see you, brother. Anyway, so pretty much, let's just ignore the bubble on top here. And hold on. Oh, he's literally. Oh no, is he really gonna like start unblocking everybody on his channel? There goes Moistly. We really, you know what? You need to start your own coin or token. That is Jism as the ticker symbol, and we'll literally pump the crap out of it. Hopefully the SEC is not listening in. I wanna say that William had kind of like a little how do I say it? I mean, somebody. Well, the Deef is actually a mod in here. If you didn't know, if you were watching the stream, you know what? As a matter of fact, I'm gonna just play it. Screw it. I don't care. Y'all wanna have fun? Let's watch this. There he is. Look at him right here. Let's watch it. So the Deef here had pretty much asked him why he doesn't include GTII in the description anymore. And he mainly It's because he said, well,
thirdly, GTIR remains a piece of shit company. It doesn't own anything. It always was a piece of shit.
I'm sorry. I just I just had to play this because, and I mean, eventually you'll end up like catching up to what he was saying in general. But there was a lot of things that, I mean, yeah, like there was a lot of things that he said that made good valid points. But on top of that, he just seems like he's just so fed up with the stock. Personally, I mean, I'm sorry to, sorry to William and everything, but it's just like, and on top of that,
Be able TRADEZ, but
I just
that's covered by the end of the day.
I just needed to
Numbers are all wrong.
I need to go. I need to go to this part here.
So for me, I'd like to see more movement in GTII.
That's not it. Hold on. It's literally before the rant was over. Hold on. Let's see. Hold on.
There. Now, what is my opinion?
When I left the dental office,
The stock
I was kind of upset. I wouldn't say that I was upset so much, but I was like, I kind of had a feeling.
Wait, none of these biz is that?
It's pulled back right now.
No, it wasn't Stony. It was the Deef.
He's showing that miracle of miracles gonna turn. Doesn't mean the Deefs are.
Oh, right here, right here, right here.
So I wanted to get the instructions.
The Deef, I think the risk reward, where I understand the whales are. The reason GTI wasn't David Reitman isn't because David Reitman is a genius. It's because the whales were involved.
And I said, well, you can put me on the English for one though.
Now in ZJYL.
But I said I would prefer me. So that I know that he goes, well, I don't have to go this weird, but because I'm
not being an idiot and standing all the way down just because it,
what I'm getting is
what's William doing? He doesn't put it in his title anymore.
I think he mentioned one in Prospect Avenue.
So Deef, I answered your question.
So yeah, that was. Yeah, we can't hear over your background. Oh shoot. Damn, my bad. Shoot, man. Wait, you couldn't hear anything at all? Oh, it was probably the background noise. Damn. My bad, guys. Damn, this is my parents are loud in the background too. But I don't know. Did you guys hear the whole thing with the background noise at all, or nah? Should I play it again? I get his frustrations though. Damn. All right, hold on.
And lying by John Hurt.
No, you know what? Hold on. I'll make it easier. Hold on. I'll make it easier, and then we'll move back to the stocks.
Right. But the Deef, I
All right. Let me know if you can hear this.
Right. But the deep, I
So I'm like, and I'm like, you know what? I'm not in a hurry. Hello?
We'll make a little. I just hold on.
Oh, okay.
Okay, here we go. Ready?
right. But the deep, I think the risk reward, where I understand the whales are, the reason GTII went up wasn't David Reichman, isn't because David Reichman is a genius. It's because the whales were involved. And the whales are involved right now in ZJYL.
Wait, hold on. hold on. I forgot to transition the whole thing. All right, here we go.
But the deep,
Here we go.
I think the risk reward, where I understand the whales are, the reason GTII went up wasn't David Reichman, isn't because David Reichman is a genius. It's because the whales were involved. And the whales are involved right now in ZJYL. So pardon me for being flexible and not being an idiot and standing a stock all the way down just because what's William doing? He doesn't put it in his title anymore. So Dadif, I answered your question.
I'm so sorry I had to do that to him, man. ZJYL. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, William. I couldn't help myself. Oh. Yo. Yo, let me stop. Distract me. All right, let's get back. Wait, let's put some music. Let's put some calm music. Okay. Oh wait, that means it's loud, right? Shoot. Okay. Well, there goes your little entertainment for tonight. But let's get back to it though. Everyone, hit that like button. For those of you joining in, thank you for tuning in, taking the time of your night, your day, to join me here and just having fun here. But I understand his frustrations. Listen, I agree with Maddie, because listen, I mean, he didn't get it's the same thing as when Lou and other people brought up Cosmos, I mean, and other stocks, and asked to be able to pump those stocks, and like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't make sense. So like, why would we, stray off the attention of GTII and Finger, and then go focus on these other plays when we're really trying to focus on the real issue, the stocks that we were, pretty much put here to get into, not only as an investment but also as a movement and as a means to be able to fight against the other side. And you know who I'm talking about. It's a list of people. It's a list of people, I meant to say. But like, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is crazy. But anyways, focus. Ow, I just hit my elbow. Focus. So we already had made up, two scenarios. Obviously the bubbles didn't really fulfill the bubbles. I would have loved that to happen, but also there was that bearish case scenario where GTI was going to pull back eventually, and you can see from these zones that I've been having for a while. You know that you've all been taking note of what I've been doing here on the streams. But yeah, it just so happens that it rejected off 35 cents and it ended up pulling right back down here to the last area of support. The lowest it came down today was 25.5 cents. It opened at 34 cents, so we were hanging in there, and then we dropped all the way down to 25 cents, and then we closed at 28 cents today. So from 34 to 28, it's not much of a gap. It's not much of a big gap, but it's enough to say, well, you know what, we're still holding at these levels here. And on top of that, on the daily, you can see here that we're still holding this. Hold on, that's too thick. And where is Zully? Damn, I think she's still knocked out. I miss her. Damn. Hopefully she's okay. But yeah, pretty much like we still have this like trending a little bit strong. We're still hoping that this could continue and follow up here. Hold that formation. Hold it. Perhaps we can see this 50-day simple moving average hold steady, and then these lines can be able to continue to the upside. I said it yesterday too as well, where it could potentially pull back and then get itself ready for another leg up. That's a possibility. If things were to get a little bit more bearish on that side, then worst case scenario, then we would go back to 25 and bounce, or just stay consolidated within this range until it eventually finds a way to bounce right back over, depending on what the situation is for GTII. Yeah, she's doing OT. She's been sleeping late a lot, and she's been working her shift at another stream. But I'm trying to kind of like transition her over here to this stream permanently. And I do need to make some changes as mods, because some of the mods are not active. So by all means, if and when we start to grow as a all my I guess I could call y'all like the fam, the line fam. And you can get some new mods, and also as well as me getting a Discord set up. I was doing that this past weekend, so it's in the works. Jay Pong, I don't know, he hasn't been here for a couple of days. He suggested it to me, so I'm actually like really considered in releasing that Discord. I mean, obviously it's gonna be free, so free to join. Y'all do whatever, hang around, mess around, but of course be adults and behave. But yeah, you know, just let me know, and then once when it's ready, and then I'll send you guys an invite to the server. Well, I'll drop it on the link for sure. But going back to the GTI, let me just hit the 4-hour chart here on you guys. Any comments, any opinions on what you think so far? What did you think in terms of the way GTI traded and the pullback? Did you guys think otherwise? Oh my god, like what is going on? Oh no. Or because I mean honestly, even though it did bounce off 25 cents, that would be the indicator right there that the 25 cents is indeed that level of support. So knowing the fact that GTI did bounce back and printed out a nice engulf green candle to finish off the 4-hour chart, it's not gonna cause us to go to go anywhere. We're gonna stay right here. The trend is still working in our favor, and regardless of what the situation is, I mean, the market, the chart, in my opinion, of course, not financial advice, is still holding pretty strong, and we haven't at all dipped below 19. We're still above 19 cents. That's what matters. We're eventually gonna just stay within that. Hold on, where is that? I say let's just make a trend line. Just randomly just make a trend line. Let's see, where should we do it? We should do it here. Maybe here. Is there such thing? Hold on, let me read you guys' comments. Hand sore? Maddie, I told you. Be careful with what you do with your hands. Don't grip so hard. You know what will happen. I think this is it. The dip before the rip. Positive thoughts. Yes, yes, sir. Put it into the universe. Manifest it. Positive thoughts. Positive vibes. Because this is what we really, truly need. Not somebody just frustrated and sensitive because of what he feels and he wants to decide to just bash on the stock, knowing the fact that we've put so much time, effort, and money into it to just piss it all away because of somebody who's just feeling acting like a baby. But knowing the fact that he's the reason why a lot of people were put on the map to get into GTI and Finger. That's just my opinion. Is what I think. It's my thoughts. You know what I'm saying? Zali. My God. Finally woke up. Good morning. Get your coffee ready. I will allow you to get up and get your coffee ready and come back. And then get coffee for all of us, even though it's late in the evening. We need a little boost. But good to see you. But yeah, back to back to that, yeah. All I'm saying, we have a little leg up on the RSI. Okay. And then when we pick up the MACD here, you can see that is wanting to do the same thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, it just wants to hold up, consolidate, and maybe, try to do a little bounce one more time so that, GTI can bounce right back over 30 cents. And you know what I'm saying? To try to retest those levels of resistance, 30 to 35 cents. and then just hopefully we can continue with the momentum, you know, and it doesn't just stop at 35 cents from that big push that we had last Friday. Because no, café de olla, no, café botelo. ¿Qué es lo que? But you know what I'm saying? So for all those, cheers. Yeah, I like a IPA. Let me get a Lagunitas IPA beer. Clark says once GTII goes to like a couple of $100 per share, then I would think that we're in a short squeeze. But until then, I think it's just kind of par for the course. It's kind of like a precursor. It's kind of like how do you say, like you know, it's like how do you call it? It's like we're priming, like we're seeing GTI prime for it, and just when just like when who said it is the dip before the rip was Blue 5. Yeah, Blue 5 was like the dip before the rip. So it's like, could that be potentially what it is? Could it be the dip before the rip? Cause you know that would be awesome. And for y'all, you know, this is pretty much the indicator right here for you to, you know what I'm saying? BTD. BTD. NFA. Right? So that's and this is the hourly chart. I like that. I actually like that because you know what? This could just turn right around and pretty much have the MACD flip and then have this turn to the green una vez más, so that we can be able to then start approaching back to those last resistance levels over 30 cents. Like for real though, for real, I kid you not, we would, let's take a note of that. Let's take a note of that right now. This would have to be the new range for GTI. So from 25 cents to 35. So this would have to be the range here. Unless it decides to rip after this retracement and reversal. So let's just take a note of that. Oh, say hi to Julie for me, Clark. And again, it's good to see y'all too. I see Blue 5 says GDC. We're gonna look at GDC in a second. I know we haven't seen it in a while. It was up before at like 2:15 yesterday. Horchata is really good. I love the way they make horchata in Dos Tacos, or is it Los Tacos? The final countdown, hell yeah. I'm trying to get some plays. I mean, I'm in some plays right now where like I'm trying to see if I can print something so then I can take profits and load up on some more. But for now, it's like not looking so good for me. Look at this, perfect. I don't care what anybody says. I mean, we're pretty much looking at it right now in a sense where you see this turning back around. The MACD is positive. The MACD is positive. Look at that. Look at this setup right here. It's in the green. Look, we just came around. We made a reversal. Now we're edging to hit 30 cents back again. I really hope that's the case. And look, if you see up here, oh, that's too thick. Hold on, lower that a little bit. You see right here, it says the ask is at 33.35. So I don't know if that's a potential buy to ask at that price, but shoot, if that's the case, then by all means, give us 33. Give us 33. That'll be nice. So yeah, that should be it for the hypothetical TA. And I forgot to mention, of course, the disclaimer. Anything that I've been saying in this stream is just strictly my opinion, not financial advice. And especially everyone that is in the chat, whatever we are all saying is strictly our opinion. Okay, so get that straight. By the way, RSI as well, looking good right here, having a little breakout itself. We will eventually rebound. This is just a healthy pullback. In my opinion, it's just a healthy pullback. We need to get ready for another leg up. So look for it here. You heard it first. Line of old trades. I heard nobody else, not even Avid, saying this. So so let's get moving to the next. I know that Blue 5 mentioned GDC. I'm trying to do this before he goes back to sleep. And GDC, what is going on with GDC? Let me just do some little thingy over here. Let me just expand this. Let me just expand this over here. Because sorry. It seems like GDC, even though it had its little spike here, this little run here from $1.90, $2 to like $2.60. There was even one point where we got to like $2.90. Wow, when was this? Wait, hold on, what? So the question is, would 5,000 ticker symbols bring the entire stock market down if they all had a short? Yeah, of course. Of course, Clark. That would, if depending on how much it would actually run. I mean, I wouldn't say that all of them would run up to like extreme high prices, because I'm guessing because of like specific market caps and all that stuff, and the number of floats, the number of the float. But I would assume that, like, yeah, it would cause some type of systemic risk to the whole market. I mean, that pretty much same thing happened to AMC and GME, and look what happened. They got the buy button removed. Maybe GME would have been past $500 and probably into the atmosphere. And not only just GME, but AMC, Kaz, BlackBerry, Nokia, Express, like that would have been a basket of stocks that would have potentially crashed the market. Shutdowns in the matrix. Let's see. It says, "Good to see you. Julie and I have $590 that is at risk in GTII. As long as like you're at a good average, pretty much 20 cents was predicted to be the price that was the most attractive to some investors, and that's why they got in and it started pushing up. So if you haven't bought the dip from there, shoot, might as well buy the dip from 25 to 28, and then from there, that's up to you, because you are your own decision maker of your money and what you do with your investments, like I always say. So, but the fact that GDC, oh right, hold on. I wanted to go come and see this this candle here. This looks interesting. This is the 15-minute, yeah, 15-minute chart here. Wow, what was this spike about? This was last Friday. Yeah, this was last Friday. This opened at 224, and the high was 294. The low was 212, and then it closed at 215. So they probably jacked it up for a quick second, and then they brought it back down. Because I've been seeing a lot of stocks that have been doing that, especially in the after, especially in the pre-market or aftermarket, and it would literally like jack it up, and then you see this big wick come out of nowhere, and it will come back down, back to the algorithmic pattern or whatever you want to call it. It's like a hiccup. This thing made a hiccup and it's like, and then all the way and back to normal again. So yeah, that's weird. But other than that though, let me just look at the 4-hour real quick. So I like looking at the 4 hours a lot, the 4-hour chart a lot. Okay, it went through this bubble. It tried, you know what? It tried going to this bubble right here. You notice? Blue right here. It tried, but then it got rejected underneath the 200-day SMA, and then we just started to pull back from there. But you can see that like it's been following, like it's been just literally trading within this range for a long time. This is what that's what catches my attention. It's like you're literally been here for a while. I've been here since like middle of January, and we're literally in the middle of, well, close to the end of February. So it's been a month since we've been in this range for a while. So all we're waiting for is for this consolidation to end, and then hopefully we get to see some type of movement within, you know, it could be tomorrow or it could be Friday. Friday's right over here, and we could see a bounce back and then retest, you know, the SMA at 235 to 240, which would be the possible next move. Oh my god. By the way, Zelly, I sent the request. Mercy. You know what I mean. So let Mercy know, so we can be able to like finish and set up the Discord. Gracias. Mi amor. All right. What did we also go over? We didn't get to do finger yet. No, we didn't get to do finger. Let's move this over here. Friday. Let's move this over here. Okay. Yes. Got it. Thank you. Finger licking good. Zelly. Yo no sé qué pasó, pero Zelly. Hey. Ooh. Okay. Well, not quite as well. Wait, Blue 5, were you here? I don't know if you left early. I'm not too sure, but I was pretty much like, I had like other lines going up, like I think like that or whatever, and then it didn't quite work out. So then I had this going on here. Well, let's make this a little thicker, or like literally just stay within this range here. But pretty much finger has been holding off, and we had a nice little bounce here for today, going into the after hours. And I like this. I really like this because not only that, but you have a strong trend here, the 50-day simple moving average, the 21-day SMA, also trying to follow the trend as well. Finger licking good, and I would like to think that perhaps going into tomorrow we can see another push and another try at these levels here. So maybe could try to reach 270 unless something crazy happens, which I'm always hoping for. So in the long run, you see the RSI here getting a little leg up, and also we got the MACD slowly turning, and then you have the little dark red bar. So that's the bearish side losing momentum and going back to the upside for another possible move, and try to retest those levels that I mentioned, 270, 275, something like that. That's the bearish case scenario. No, that's the bullish case scenario. I wouldn't think that there would be a bearish case scenario because it's holding pretty well right at the 245, 249, 250 as support. And yeah, that would be it for finger as of right now. And then let me see. Look at the hourly chart just in case if that confirms what I mentioned. I think to me, finger is still considered a long-term type of play. I mean, you've been in there for since October of 2022. So ZJYL, yeah, of course we can do it. Yeah, you see right there, nice little bounce here, nice candle here too to end it off. All right, let's check out ZJYL. I'm trying to actually move a little quicker than usual. That way, you guys have things to do, I'm pretty sure, for the rest of the night. So that's something that I'm trying to do. And I mean, but shoot, if you like hanging out, you like me having 2-hour streams, having my ass go flat on this chair, then by all means, I do it for you guys. Let's see, this is the 4-hour. I have to literally zoom in because this was a big drop after the reverse split. Oh no, I mean the forward split. And yeah, sleep is really important, and I'm starting to realize that, and I just really need to get my stuff together when it comes to sleep, because I don't want to turn into William. I definitely don't want to turn into William. I'm sorry, but I refuse, and I got these genetics, I know that I could probably look 30 still if I was 60. So I'm trying to maintain my youth, and I'm trying to do what I can. which is you know a work in progress, and I know I'm gonna get there. And I have so much to look forward to, you know. I mean, my left knee, for Christ's sakes, like it cracks every time when I get up from bed, and I'm afraid that it's gonna pop one day, and then I'm gonna won't be able to walk on my left leg. ZJYL though, ZJYL. All right. So it has been pretty quiet, honestly, and it's been flat for a majority of the week since pretty much Tuesday. Well, this last Tuesday, last week. Never mind. And we tried popping over $12. It failed, but now we find ourselves in this range for some time, between $8 and $9.50. But if we look at the indicators here, you know, usually the 8-day simple moving average, as it comes down, it indicates that we would have more downside. If you want more confirmation, we go to the MACD, pull this right up, and you can see that it's kind of slowly like coming right back down, as like the MACD is slowly turning where it might just eventually break down, and then we will start moving back to the downside and retesting $7, you know. And that means we would have to retest. Let me see something. Then we would have to retest. Let me just draw a box here. Just draw a box here. And then let's make this resistance-ish. So we pretty much have this range to work with. So if this continues to become bearish, then most likely we would have to retest this area of support around these prices. So just take a note of that. If that's not the case, and we end up moving back to the upside, then we would retest $9 and try to break as 975. Yeah, that's 975 at that wick, but more so 925. And yeah, it's the thing is that's kind of like what I'm talking about, because like, you know, when people like William or whoever, like, I don't even know who it was that introduced ZJYL to other people, and I rarely even know about it. I just started knowing about it a couple weeks ago, actually, and I got in after the split, and I'm here thinking, okay, well, this is supposed to be a positive thing, because if it's forward splits, supposed to like do something, and I'm like, you know what? Exactly. Why wait when you can just get yourself into some SPY puts or calls? You know? Because pretty much the goal is to make that quick money every day and not literally just wait on something to happen, you know? Unless you truly have conviction on that play, then by all means. But to me, this is freaking ridiculous. This here is ridiculous. We literally hit 500 again for the third time. So you know what I'm gonna do? Yep. By the way, that was my little TA for ZJYL because I really don't know much and I'm not really into it like that, honestly. Yeah. But since we're in the topic of spy, might as well just go over spy and see what the heck happened. Because the fact of the matter is that we were really like on that trend down. Like, and let's see we were at where is it? Here? Okay, this was us right here. This was Wednesday? Okay. So this here, I thought for some reason it would become a bear flag and that we would actually try to break below 494. And shoot. Then all of a sudden, we got this stupid pump that came out of nowhere. No, there was no news. You're here thinking FOMC minutes was done already because that was at 2:00, and now we're back to 500 from 494, 495 back to 500. Can you believe that? You could thank Nvidia for that too as well. I'm in all of them balls deep. I don't learn my lesson. ZJYL is cheap now. Well, I mean, you could dollar cost average or lower your average if that's the case, but I can't really say much about that. So, but if they say it's gonna do whatever it's gonna do, and they're here claiming 1,000 a share and all this stuff, like that's cool, that. But to me, that's just speculation unless like they have something that's in the data that proves that it has the capabilities to actually reach that amount per share, which I would need to see for myself. But Blue 5, bro, you're amazing. Thanks for coming by. Thanks for stopping by as always, man. You get yourself some nice sleep, sweet dreams, and I'll catch you next time. Stay hustling, man. Woo! I grow weed on the side, hustling. So it's like you sell your batch. That's like 100 shares of ZJYL added. He is hustling. I respect your hustle, bro. Keep it up. Wow, jinx, Zully. I just literally I said it and then you said it at the same time. That is wild. I'm not even kidding. Like I wasn't even looking at the chat. I was literally like looking at the screen and said respect the hustle. We're so intertwined. That's crazy. But anyways, man, you keep it up. You keep doing what you're doing. You have a great night. Something crazy happens tomorrow. We'll definitely recap. We'll stream tomorrow night and yeah. But take it easy, man. Oh my god. We're already an hour into the stream. It's gonna be a quickie. I might as well just make it a quickie. My god. Oh jeez. So, then what could we say about? Let's see. What could we say about the SPY? Because this is kind of scary. It's scaring me a little bit. Like 4-hour chart. You pulling this George W on us? Like for real? So if this is not a double top, is this gonna be a triple top? And then back down? What do you think, Zelly? Yeah, Maddie, he couldn't type anymore because of his hand. Yeah, his hand is sore, so he couldn't really. You just missed him, yeah. But yeah, he's doing good. He's getting better. Hold on, I'm gonna get some oatmeal cookies. Give me a second. Okay, I got my oatmeal raisin cookies. And so the whole question is like, because of the whole thing that happened with earnings on Nvidia, obviously this thing literally popped. We could take a look at Nvidia right now and show you this massive move to the upside. This is crazy. Insanity. This thing ran from, it closed at 674. It was down almost 3% on the day. And look, it even gave us a call signal right here. Are you kidding me? Hey. There you go, Mad Gun. What's up? How was the date? How'd it go? Give us a rundown on how the date went. So yeah, can you believe Nvidia was the reason for this extra push on the SPY? Well, lots of playful banter and sexual jokes. That's cool. You're supposed to take your time. I mean, You pretty much did the right thing. Most guys will go crazy and want to just clap cheeks on the first date. You know? Bunch of horn dogs. You're a real one for that. It really does pay off, yeah, for sure. But sometimes, you know, sometimes they expect it to happen, but then like when you don't do it, it's like a red flag to them. It's like, oh, he didn't do this, damn. And then you know, then they just move on to the next person. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and then you got friend zone. That's what happened to me before. But you know, it's a learning experience. It's a learning curve. And then you just build up from there, and then shoot. As long as you're getting it in, my man, and you're successful at it, you ain't got no problem. Just leave them wanting more. But yeah, how was it going? How's it going with your trades? I'm here trying to figure out what to do because, man, I'm really like, I don't know if I should do some spy puts tomorrow, cause it's really like trying to turn back around. I don't know. You get the feel for it. If the girl is down, you'll know. But it took experience to figure it out. My trades aren't not going anywhere. They're parked. Okay. Gotcha. Yeah, I'm here just trying to figure out the next move, cause like, yeah, Spy definitely did some crazy stuff. Like I'm here thinking, okay, well, FOMC was gonna be a treat. Yeah, we're gonna literally fall right at this point here, and you know, just literally, yeah, I literally thought we was gonna like start capitulating back down. Shoot, like I would have loved it if it came back down to like 490 or something, but something weird happened. I'm still trying to figure it out. And there was no type of news. There was nothing that had, you know, said, you know, whatever it was never mentioned. And this whole reaction here out of nowhere, this is the 5-minute chart, by the way, so you could pretty much tell like this here made no sense. It's like they literally was panicking, and they just propped up the whole thing and just pumped this back. Lost all these gains from today. All this downside from beginning to the point here, and here just really thinking that, you know, it was actually going to continue going back down. Like, freaking not even probably go 493, 492, but they just decided to do that. And on top of that, because of Nvidia earnings going up the roof, I mean, this was the result. So this here was all like due to Nvidia. So I want to get revenge for this, and I really want to get into where I'm like, you know what, bish, you're not gonna stay in 500. You're definitely gonna go back down again. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, plunge protection team. That's the name of it. But Madgun says, I'm balls deep in GTII and not sleeping right now. My biggest accounts are my 401k, very diversified. Smart, very smart. That's how you got to do it. Because none of these big tech stocks or index funds or anything is safe right now. Being in a 401k, you might as well just flip it all and switch it over to stocks that you know that you can be properly hedged against the whole market crash, and on top of that, some of these names that we know that can eventually do the big run, and forget about it. You be set. You'll be all set. And then after that, you can switch it up, and then once the crash or the correction, whatever you want to call it, comes to an end, then you can literally buy at the bottom, and that's it. You ride it one more time for another bull market. That pretty much explains it all, right? Explains it all. Man, my English sucks. And that's what I think, personally, in my opinion. But a majority of people just don't really know that, they don't know that they can just do that and take advantage of the situation. So my thing is, since I seen the PPT literally prop this freaking SPY back to 500, my thought process is, well, you know what? Like, yeah, now that this is oversold, so now we would have to like exhaust back down and ride that down to short it, in my opinion. That's pretty much what you call a swing trade. I mean, like if you had a feeling like, shoot, like I need to get out because it's about to rip, get into calls, probably printing on both sides. But yeah, looking back at SPY right now, I don't know. We have to wait and see how it trades tomorrow and going into Friday. Probably Friday would be the move to see this try to exhaust back down. What the hell? Okay, there you go. But yeah, Mad Gun, I mean, you're pretty much set on that for GTII, had a pullback, 25 cents, jumped back to 28 cents on the close, so we can definitely be looking at a leg up for GTII back to 30 cents possibility. But yeah, this is something that I just, oh man, I don't know. I can't stand to look at this for sure. So gotta look out for the SPY and see if it starts to come back down and exhaust itself, and I'm back to 492. Like maybe next week. Who knows? But let's see what other. Hmm. TANH. I remember J Pong mentioned about this stock before. Let me see something. TANH. TANH. He mentioned this last week. Wow. Hold on. Friday. I gotta look back at that. I gotta look back at the previous stream to see what happened, because I know I went over TANH before. But it looked like it had a nice run. It popped all the way to 180. And then it just went back down to like 70. Closed at 79 cents. What other tickets do you want to discuss? If not, then probably gonna cut the stream and call it a night. Cause it's supposed to be like a little quickie. I might have to do some edits, by the way. So, as a matter of fact, I gotta do my taxes. What am I doing? All right, I totally forgot about that. So, let's just call the stream. Let's just call the night. Mad Gun, if you want to go back to the stream, that's the first thing I talk about. I'm gonna leave the timestamp, and you're gonna see like where my area of support and resistance is for GTII. Other than that, yeah, I gotta get this tax money. Because I need to, do things with that. Anywho, this TV so loud. Anywho, I don't know. Up to you. Let me know if there's anything else you're trying to talk about and discuss. Other than that, oh wait, let me look at OCGN. OCGN. Okay, it's still trying to pull back, but after this over here. All right. Let me see. This could be a nice loading zone here before it starts getting itself another leg up. Hold on. What is Man, Mark in the house just got home. Welcome back. How was your day, brother? What's good, team? What is going on? How you been? What's new? You seen this craziness? Do you see the craziness here? The madness that happened close to market close? Like, this is just... Mark, come on. You see this. You see this and you tell yourself, yeah, that definitely looks like normal price movement. It's totally healthy. and you telling me the rest of the day from the beginning it was just chopping? crazy, man. Oh my god, I watched the part where you did the lines with William and he get all pissed up. Oh my god. I just had to do it. I just had to do it, man. Just for the fun of it. I mean, hopefully, you know, he doesn't see it. He doesn't take offense. And if he does sees the video, then I'm sorry, William, but I just had to. I just had to, man. The funds clear tomorrow. Ooh. What you stacking? What you stacking with? What are you going into? Yeah, you did, but I'm gonna show you that later on after the stream, so stay tuned. But yeah, he just went on a little rant and became a little aggressive. Even if he does it, I think he will laugh at it. He needs to laugh at himself. I literally did that, and like 10 seconds later, he ended this. Yeah, he ended the stream. I heard Maddie told me about that, and I was like, oh shoot. I went to look, and I'm like, oh, he's like literally like, he's like clenching his teeth, and I'm like, wow, I never seen him that mad. He's just getting furious, you know. He'll just talking about GTII, and he just gets upset. Yeah, I feel bad, but still, like, that's he's doing a bit too much, like. But other than that, man, damn, Mark, you caught me at a bad time, cause I was thinking of ending the stream, but since you came by, I'll give you we'll further extend it another 5-10 minutes and talk. Yo, Mark, what do you think about this price action? You think after all of this, it's gonna start to cool down and probably like try to make its way back down to this previous level here, 497? I think so. LBBB, Seed, EBS, WGS, and looking for more. We'll look into a few more, and then we'll call it a night. How about that? Let's see how extended play just got done taking my daughter and wife shakies, and we were in the arcade and my daughter hit extended play a few times on the racing game. Wait, are you into racing as well? I feel like you're into racing like that, so yes. Sally just mentioned it, so I'm starting to add timestamps just so people, the fam can, the team can, you know, easily find where I start talking about certain tickers. So, you know, it just really helps, and just so people won't really go through the whole like 2 hours of streaming and all that stuff. And yeah, just, you know, seeing, you know, what you guys can do with that information, you know. So, but that's cool though, man. I haven't been in an arcade in a long time. Man, I gotta go back and be a kid again. Oh, CPOP. Really? Damn. I remember pop culture. What? Pop culture. What? Whoa. Wait a minute. Yo, this is a wild pattern right here. That is a wild pattern. You know how many swings is this? Wow. Buy. Sell. Buy. Sell. Buy. Sell. Buy. Probably sell. Like it probably goes back up again and tries to hit 10. That's what it looks like to me. That is crazy. Hold on, wait. Wait, hold on. Let me go to CPOP in here. Did it? Hold on. Did it have? Not Citigroup. Screw you. CPOP. No. CPOP got no options. That would have been a nice options play for sure. Wow. That is a beast. I remember CPOP too when it first came out. It was like 2 years ago. No, 3 years ago in July. This was literally after. This was a month after AMC's run up to $72. Wow. Word, for real. Look at that. This was literally a 95 cents back when here, January 30th, 95 cents to $1. Jeez. $100 here, easily almost a 10x right there. Good stuff, man. What? 1 mil? Wow, look at that. Wow, you got the float. I can't even do it. Hold on. Oh, it goes away. Okay, I can't do it. But yeah, the float is like at 1.3 million. Right here. Shares outstanding is only 2.44 million. Sheesh. What's the news on CPOP? Let me see. CPOP. The company reported mixed fourth quarter financial results and issued. I said issued. No, that's the wrong one. That's Ample. Okay, there's not much information about that. Never mind. Hold on, maybe I can find it here. Pop culture group. Pop culture. Oh, what was this? Pop culture group shares resume trade. So it must have halted too. Wow. Yeah, halted on circuit breaker to the upside. Stock now down negative 5.84%. Wow. There was no news like on. I mean, that was pretty much it, and like it climbed during pre-market hours. That is a beast. Let me look at the hourly real quick. Yeah, this looks like a strong trend for real. I mean, look at the way it's moving. Right, you got the 50 is still moving. This is probably just staying like that. The 21 day is probably like this, and then it's probably gonna like bounce over again, so that CPOP can do another leg up and try to retest 967, the last price high of the day. And who knows? Maybe it could break $10 tomorrow. Pre-market probably. I say 10 to 12 bucks by Friday. If it doesn't pull back. I like this pattern though. This is really nice. Seed's flow is okay. Hold on. Origin Architect. Wow. This too. Actually, the MACD is a little. It's getting weaker. So it could potentially pull back and try to get back into this level here, the 250, 255, 250. What we got? What we got? The no move. Okay. At 267, 250 to 260. Let's see, 30 minutes. Yeah, if just be like, if you're in it, just be careful. This is already starting to pull back. At this point, this is an indicator right here, and then you have the MACD crossing already, and the RSI as well. So you're getting a cool down. So again, like. Hold on, where's no? Let me get my triangle. The triangle right here. Hold on. No, you don't want to draw it for me? Right here. Right here. Either pulls back to this area and tries for another bounce. I was going to hold the CPOP, but when it was up to 125%, but past my target, I had, of course, man. That is brilliant, Mark. That is the way to do things, and not diamond hand it. You're here to compound your gains, brother. Every day, compound that sheesh. That's what I want to do with the SPY tomorrow. Because I did make some on the move down with SQQQ calls. And I wanna actually take advantage of that gap up, or I don't know, that ridiculous pump. Anal looking ready to stretch. Anal. Row anal Fred right here. Row anal Fred. That's return of average assets for commercial banks with asset. Yo, wait a minute. What a coincidence, man. Moistly, you're a smart cookie for that. So row anal Fred didn't like it, and so now the data is still kind of like loading. But it says here, return on average assets for commercial banks with assets under $5 billion in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania. MSA discontinued. It was discontinued. I wonder what that happened. Huh. Hold on. 4, 3, 15, daily. Down big today on large volume is not a good sign. What's up, Tax 77? Down big today on large volume is not a good sign on what in specific? What stock? Oh, you know what? I just totally forgot. I forgot to look at the volume for GTII. Thanks for reminding me, Tac. But yeah, Tac, how's everything on your end? How have you been? So remember I was talking about the volume and what the volume needs to make GTII push. So remember, so yesterday was a volume of 325,795 shares traded. And then the day before we had almost 1 million. Today we had 1,296,452 shares traded. And we only moved almost 9 cents in that range. So imagine that 1.3 million shares traded today. But it was mostly, because they were trying to take it back down. So from the open of 34 cents down to 25 cents, which, if you guys can tell, this was the previous line of support. And it literally bounced off and it closed at 28 cents. So yesterday's close around 34 cents. Today's close at 28 cents was not much of a difference. But I would like to call that a healthy pullback. And if that was an example of them really trying hard to bring GTI back down, then they are absolutely failing in my prediction. I mean, in my opinion. I'm here. I might as well just show you guys again, just quickly before. We have the trend line here that I drew here earlier. So I'm just expecting this to bounce right back over and try to retest 30 cents. Not tomorrow, maybe Friday, but who knows? And that's just my take on that. After the scream, I'm gonna rewatch that. Yeah, go for it. You know what? I'm gonna also leave a timestamp for that, just so you can be able to find it a lot quicker. but anyways, yeah, I'm almost. Yeah. But yeah, Tac, that's a little recap of what I went over, and the 1 hour chart as well. It's just it's all showing the dip before the rip type of scenario. So you can see it here too as well. This is by all means another. This is to me a good healthy pullback, and we bounce back from here from 25 to 28. So that's a good sign. You got the RSI check, MACD check. So yeah, I think. Wait, what was the other? Okay, we checked out anal already. Tiny float of 400. Hold on, Mark. All right, let's look at LBBB. Okay, on the 1 hour chart. Oh, that's nasty. What is this? $11.50. This came down to $3.85. It looked like it tried to break 650. Then for some reason we had a hot drop over here. a big drop on the hour candle there, and then it just jumped back up, back to 659. Yeah, you're welcome. That's wild. Look at the 4. This thing is still on my screen. And you said this was LBBB has a float of 2.4 million. Okay. TAC, that's a ticky volumetric observation, but stochastic momentum is still favorable for a golden shower crossover. That's right. LBBB's MACD on the 4 hour, there's a breakout. There is a breakout here for sure. Right there. And the RSI too as well. So it could, you know, be the dip before the rip. Well, we first would have to try to retest $7 if that's the case. That was brutal too, yeah. This candle itself, the 4 hour candle, was a drop from like 685 to 414. The volume was only 33,712 shares traded on that 4 hour candle. Beautiful though, beautiful bounce recovery. And then the other one you said was MOTS, MOTS, MOTS G Holdings. MOTS G Holdings. Let me look at this on NASDAQ. No options. What on earth is this? What is this? It's just a whole bunch of volume being pumped in here. What is this? The free float apparently on Webull is now at 1.49 million. Free float market cap 1.64 million. Shares outstanding 1.55 million. Oh my god. Wow. This was at 57 cents. It jumped back up and it closed at $1.10. What's the news with this? How did you find the stock? These candles are wild. You got this volume. Wow, what? Wait a minute. Bro, what? This 4 hour candle was 4.8 million. This one was 3.6 million. Next one was 2.6 million. This candle was 14.9 million. 36.4? Whoa. 6.2 and 267. Bro, this was literally... This traded like 100 times over the float. Literally traded like, wow, what is this? Well, 64 million. I can't talk. I'm tired. 64 mil in total for today for MOTS. That is crazy. You sure that there's not like any pullback at all. We did a death cross. MOTS today announced that the United States Patent and Trademark Office, USPTO, has issued the company a new patent number 11904085 titled colon cleaning system with automatic self-purging feature. Holy crap. This literally had a purging feature of its own during pre-market. Like literally. This thing was like and then MOTS. We are pleased to announce further strengthening our IP portfolio in the US. This latest patent covers the automated management of pressure for irrigation and self-purging feature of the latest generation of the Pure View system. This capability is key to enhancing the physician's experience using the Pure View by avoiding procedures delays due to clogs. Even though it's a little bit of TMI, but wow. Colon, poo-poo. You gotta clean the system. I mean, shit, I'm down for that. It's time to clean out your system and detox. William looked like he purged his eyebrows, waxing appointment for his schedule. I mean, how is he supposed to get any dates in Korea when he goes flying out there? I had a Korean wife. Really, I did. And she didn't like my eyebrows. And yeah. But Lucky loves me. He really does. He likes to lick my eyebrows all the time. Alright, you guys. Was I spot on? Did I sound like him? I am sick and tired. I don't want to talk about Gtii. I had a girlfriend once. Really, I did. And she took me to a rodeo show back down when I was visiting New Orleans. And he's like, I don't want to tell you where I used to put peanut butter when he was a puppy. Yeah. Yo, please don't. No. Oh my God, no. Oh no, 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 no. No. Why? That is, yo, I don't even want to think about it, but that is just disturbing. What? Lucky and a jar of peanut butter make for a Friday night special. No, no, no. I can't believe what I'm reading. No. No, 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 no. Stop. God. All right, boy. It's time to lick it up. Yeah, we just teasing because I mean, like he holds a very special place in our hearts. But sometimes yo, he be doing the most. But sometimes it just be funny as hell. Like I have no like literally you want to see like for real like I'm gonna just have fun with this right now. I might get shadow banned for this, but screw it. Oh my god. Oh no. Executive order. Oh god, no. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Okay. Okay. No. It was in my shorts. It was in my shorts. Hold on. It was in my shorts. Do here. I used to like literally on purpose when I used to go on the streams earlier and literally make him say some things in Spanish, but it would be like inappropriate. So then this one would be, if you understand Spanish, of course.
No, William, es que tú no sabe mama huevo. Yeah. That's I like you just the way you are. William, le gusta las tetas de Alicia. Alicia doesn't come here anymore. I like you just the way you are.
Oh, God.
William, le gusta las tetas de Alicia. Alicia doesn't come here anymore.
Oh, my God.
I like you just the way you are.
I like this one, though.
All right. Could fiat majors con cule grande? Could fiat fiat equals I don't know what majeres mean. Con culo grande. And I can get the grande, and I have a feeling culo might mean something. Moros con culo grande. With something with. I should learn Spanish, but Crown Vicks. Ziggy. I think. I think. I think.
Oh my God! Yes, that's exactly what you heard. That's exactly what you heard. Okay, I gotta hear this again. All right, let's write this down.
I think.
Oh no! Wait, hold on.
I think.
Hold on. This one. Okay.
All right. Could fiat majors con cule grande? Could fiat equals.
What is this? Women?
I don't know what majeres mean. Con culo grande. And I can get the grande, and I have a feeling culo might mean something.
Con is with?
Moros con culo grande.
And you already know the rest.
With something with. I don't know. I should learn Spanish, but.
Oh,
Crown
God.
Vicks.
Oh. Oh my God! All right, that's it for tonight. That's tonight's stream. All right, guys, show's over. Oh my god, that's hilarious. I can't. I like how he says, I think cool means something. I could get the grande part, but uh. Ooh. Exactly. Well, let's make that emoji. Hold on. I like you just the way you are, Zelly. But yeah. And afterwards, like I think he was like catching on, and he knew like I was really like trying to set him up to say something on the stream that's inappropriate. And then he just stopped doing it. He's like, nah, like he's gonna, yeah, like I'm not gonna say that. Like I'm not gonna take that risk. So yeah, he just stopped doing it. I was like, oh. Hell yeah. For real. But anyways, I think we're gonna we're gonna end it on that note. And I'll let all of you guys finish the rest of your night and enjoy the rest of your Wednesday night. Oh, like I can't wait until it's Friday. But yeah, that's it for tonight's stream. Hope you had fun. Hope you had a good time as always. Oh, sooner or later, Mark, I'm gonna be releasing my Discord server, and try to get some people in there. Get the team together and go to the Discord and have some fun. I already have some tweets set up. I have a tweet bot that gives the news, and then we just think about trading ideas and whatever we can share. So yeah. But with that being said, thank you all who joined. Mark, thank you. Have a grande culo night. Thanks to Maddie for coming through. Aswang. Damn, I can't go back up anymore. Okay, Maddie, Blue 5, Aswang. Moistly, aka MFN. Did I say Blue 5 already? I think I did already. Mad Gun, Tagged 77, Clark and Julie, Mark R, Moistly. Share, like, and subscribe, y'all. And Zelly Zen. Zelly that puts us all at Zen. Much love to you. Big hearts. Moistly says he can't get back up again. That's what she said. Yeah. But peace out, everybody. Have a great night, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. You already know the deal. And yeah, until the next time. Yours truly, Lion of all trades. Hit the hearts, hit them hearts, baby. So have a blessed culo, Mark. Ah, oh my god. Have a blessed culo. I'm done. All right, y'all. Have a good night. I got my blessed culo for sure. And I can't wait to get it.